Hier sind Tatsachen über Oktoberfest. Tatsachen means facts. Das Oktoberfest ist in München. München, in English we say Munich. Das Oktoberfest ist auf der Thereseienwiese. This means lawn or meadow. It's a big grassy park area. And it's named after someone named Teresa. Das Oktoberfest ist das größte Volksfest der Welt. Größte means the largest or biggest, and that is of the world. A Volksfest is, Volk is the people, and Fest is the fest or festival. So it's of the people of a region. Das Oktoberfest beginnt am blank September. So you're going to have to look this up and look it up. So let's say it began on the 21st. You would say, Das Oktoberfest beginnt am 21. You would say like an S-T-E-N, Sten, that's what you would say. Or does it begin on the 22. Or is it this year the 23. So you're going to have to look that up and put the correct answer. Das Oktoberfest endet am ersten Sonntag im Oktober. Rund 6 Millionen Menschen besuchen das Oktoberfest. Das ist so viele Leute, ja. Menschen, people, mankind, humans. Die Trachten sind Dirndl und Lederhosen. Trachten is a very specific word. It's basically like the regional clothing that's like customary for that region, and usually in a historical sense. Die Karussells und die Achterbahnen sind beliebt. Carousels and roller coaster. You could think of this as like Achtung, you pay attention, and Bahn means rail, like for a train or a track. So that makes sense for a roller coaster, because maybe you should pay attention, or maybe you think, when you're on it. And that's carousels. Man isst Weißwurst. Weißwurst is a special type of sausage. Weiss, so it's a white sausage. East with double S means to eat. So one eats Weißwurst. I want to write that down. One eats Weißwurst. It's a special kind of sausage. Die Brezel sind am beliebtesten. So these are the most favored or beloved pretzels. Die Lebkuchenherzen sag ich mag die. This is Bayerisch. This is a Bavarian dialect. It means, I love you. Ich liebe dich. Die Brauerei hat ein Zelt. The breweries have a tent. The brewery has a tent. Das Zelt hat lange Tische, has long tables. Das erste Oktoberfest war am 17. Oktober 1810. So write this number out. See if you can write this number out. 1810. It's all one word. 1810. 1810. Es war eine Hochzeit von Kronprinz Ludwig mit Prinzessin Theresa. So now we know where we get the name of the lawn or the meadow. And a Hochzeit means a wedding. Es war ein Pferderennen. It was a horse race. There was a horse race. So those are some fun facts about Oktoberfest for the Tatsachen. Feel free to rewatch this video, take notes, make sure you are listening to it as well as watching it. Jot down anything I talk about and maybe watch it one more time and repeat after me so you can practice your German. Danke!